Caleb Harlan Wanaka was a young 17-year-old high school junior and rising sports star who played both basketball and baseball for Peninsula High School. He was a young man who showed leadership, sportsmanship, and love to those he knew. His best friend was his father, and their shared passion for baseball was an inseparable bond. He recently put his love for his dad into words on a birthday card. He wrote, "I want you to know that I appreciate all that you do for me, Dad. Thank you so much for everything. I wouldn't be anywhere close to where I am today without you. You make me a better person, and I will always try to make you proud. I will forever be grateful to you." He was 6'5" with an infectious smile and curly brunette locks that he at times would grow long to be just like his dad. He was planning for college. His goal was a scholarship and placement in a baseball program. A gifted baseball player he was. First base, third base, pitcher. He won numerous baseball honors and awards, and in May 2021, he was voted Athlete of the Year by the Tacoma Athletic Commission. He loved his golden retriever, Gracie, his grandparents, and country music, and his girlfriend, Jillian. He was killed and 3 other teenagers were hospitalized after the truck they were in hit a tree, causing all passengers to be ejected. 5 kids were in that truck. Only the driver was seatbelted in. The other 4 kids were riding in the bed of the truck. All 4 teens riding in the back were thrown out on impact. And Caleb was the only one who died from his injuries. And the accident occurred around 9 at night on a road that has some big dips in the roadway, and speed may have contributed to the collision and to why the driver lost control, but there was no indication that alcohol was involved. These kids were just coming home late, having a great time. And now Caleb, his life is gone. But now he joins his mother, Jamie.